Once upon a time, in a lush, green forest, lived a skunk named Skeeter. Skeeter was known for his powerful scent, which he used to ward off any predator that came too close. One day, Skeeter found a beautiful meadow, filled with fragrant flowers. He was captivated by the aroma and decided to roll around in the flowers, soaking himself in their sweet scent. As he emerged from the meadow, Skeeter noticed a family of deer grazing nearby. They looked up and immediately turned away, covering their noses in disgust. Skeeter realized that his powerful scent had changed from a protective tool to a repellent. Feeling sad and embarrassed, Skeeter approached a wise old owl named Oliver who lived in a tree nearby. He explained his situation to Oliver, and the owl listened carefully. Oliver said, "Skeeter, your scent is a part of you. It can protect you, but it can also cause harm when used improperly. Learn to respect its power and use it wisely." Skeeter returned to the forest and vowed to use his scent only when necessary. He learned to respect the power he possessed and the impact it had on others. From that day forward, Skeeter lived harmoniously with the other animals in the forest. He was admired for his wisdom and his newfound respect for his powerful scent. The moral of this story is, use your strengths wisely, for they can either protect you or cause harm. Always show respect for the power you possess.